Okay, we've got some inequalities here. Importantly, these are actually all equations of lines if we put an equal sign in there. And you might spot that this one essentially is y equals 2x plus 1. I mean, because they said it by drawing a third straight line, so it sort of makes sense that two of them are already drawn. We can see we've got an intercept of 1, and yes, the gradient is 2, so that's all good. This one is a horizontal line, so it's not going to be that one there. In fact, this is 7x plus 4y equals 28. You can kind of figure that out because if you let x equal 0 and you cover that one up, then you'd get y equals 7, which is here, it's up here. And if you let y equals 0, you would cover this one up and you'd get x equals 4. So that's one way of drawing the graph if you were ever asked to draw this graph without putting it in the form y equals mx plus c. Okay, so we've figured out that. The only other thing to do then is to draw this third line, which I'm now going to do, and that's y equals to 1, or y is greater than 1. Just realised actually they've been a bit sneaky here. They've done less than or equal to and greater than or equal to, so technically we should do a dotted line here because it does not include 1. Okay, so that is the line y equals 1, but I'm interested now in the inequalities, so I'm interested in where it's less than or equal to 2x plus 1. That's going to be this side, but below, wait, I'm looking at the wrong line, sorry. It's going to be below here. Okay, I've got 7x plus 4y greater or equal to 2y. There's two ways I could figure this out. I could try and rearrange it to get as what y is greater or equal to something, and then actually that's going to help me because I can see that it's going to be everything above this line. Because when I rearrange it, it'll be 20. Basically, it's going to be, let's do it, it's going to be 28 minus 7x, and then I'm going to have to divide it by 4. So I divide both of these by 4. It's everything above this line. If you don't like doing it that way, you can try a point. You can maybe try 0, 0 and see if it works. And 0 is not greater or equal to 28, so it's got to be everything above the line. That's one way of checking that out. And then we've got that y is greater than 1 as well, so it's going to be everything above this line. What does that leave me with? That leaves me with this region here. So I'm going to label it R and draw an arrow to it.